Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're tired of spending endless hours cleaning your floors, then you need to check out the iRobot Roomba 692 robot vacuum. This sleek and smart vacuum is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home and help you clean smarter, not harder. With Wi-Fi connectivity and personalized cleaning recommendations, the Roomba 692 can be scheduled to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris using the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. Its 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes can effectively grab dirt from both carpets and hard floors, while the adaptive navigation system allows the Roomba to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. But what really sets the Roomba 692 apart is its ability to learn your cleaning habits and listen to your voice commands. It can offer up personalized schedules and can even be started with just the sound of your voice using Google Assistant or Alexa. Not to mention its dirt detect sensors that can alert the robot about dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to daily vacuuming and hello to clean floors every day, then it's time to invest in the iRobot Roomba 692 robot vacuum. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to make your life easier. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't regret it.